Hi, it's Izzy Dixon here from Well Organized Marketing, and today I'm coming to you from my co-working space, from the little pod here. It's a sort of quiet pod where I can take phone calls or do webinars or create videos, and here I am. So today's video tip, is all about using blogging for feedback. What I mean by that is, imagine you're working on a project and you're stuck. You simply don't know which way to go. You've got a few alternatives that you could choose, but you're just not sure which way to go. Yes, of course, you could ask anybody and everybody who you know in person, at networking events, etc. But you could also ask your blog audience. Describe the problem to them in a blog post, share as much as you're comfortable sharing, and then give them the option and ask them for feedback. You could do that literally via a blog post where you write all the details into the blog post, or you could create a survey, for instance using SurveyMonkey. That's a really good tool to do that with. You can embed the survey within the blog post. Both of those are really good options to just explain to people what you're after, and then make sure that they have a mechanism to give you feedback. So make sure your comments are enabled. You can refer them to social media to give you feedback there, but also be prepared to receive feedback that you didn't expect. So that could be different options to what you have thought about that might turn out to be really good ideas. I mean, some of them might not be useful at all. You never know with feedback. You never know what to expect. So yeah, that's it for today. There is a little bit more, as always, in the related blog post to which I lead you again in the description of the of this video, and there's a link there as always. If you like the video, please give it the thumbs up, give it a like. If you're on YouTube, subscribe to my channel so that you get regular updates. And yeah, I hope you found this useful today. With that, I'll leave you until next week. Have a good one, and I'll see you then. Take care. Bye.